Welcome to Learn You and Me. Control D is used to copy value or formula of just above cell into lower cells along with cell format. Here cell A9 is selected. Pressing Control D, as you can see just above cell, which is A8, got copied in lower cell with format. Now if I select B9 to D9 and press Control D, above range of selected range got copied. Now applying total formula is equal to B3 plus C3. Now you can copy formula in lower cells using Ctrl D. Select D3 to D9 and press Ctrl D. As you can see, formula got copied in lower cells. Ctrl R is used to copy value or formula of just left cell into right cells along with cell format. Here cell D2 is selected. Pressing Ctrl R, as you can see, just left cell got copied in right cell. Selecting D3 to D8, pressing Ctrl R, as you can see, left range value got copied. Summing item 1, selecting P2 D10 and pressing Ctrl R. As you can see, formula got copied in selected cell. Ctrl plus A is used to select current region in a sheet. Select any cell of a table or range, then press Ctrl plus A to select a table range quickly. Here you can see table range got selected. Now this total row is not selected because it is not continuous with main table. It is discontinued due to entire blank row above it. Current region means both in adjacent row and in adjacent column some value or formula is present. Pressing Ctrl A selects current region. Here cell D6 value is not adjacent with cell D4 value, hence not got selected after pressing Ctrl A. Ctrl C is used to copy a cell or a range. Select a range or a cell to be copied, then press Ctrl C. Now select a cell where copied range need to be pasted, then press Ctrl V. Select table, pressing Ctrl C to copy and pasting it using Ctrl V. Ctrl plus N is used to create new workbook, but make sure minimum one workbook is open before creating new workbook using Ctrl plus N. Pressing Ctrl plus N, as you can see, new workbook got created. Ctrl plus S is used to save workbook. Whatever work is done, make sure to save workbook at regular interval to avoid loss of work done. If workbook is new and not saved, then you need to save it in particular folder with relevant name and file format. You can change file name or file format or folder path of saved workbook using Save As option. Press F12 to save as a workbook. Here changing name and file format. Press OK. You can change path also, but here keeping in same download folder. Then press OK. Now in download you can see previous workbook and new saved as workbook. Ctrl plus O is used to open particular workbook. Pressing Ctrl O shows this panel. Here you can open file from recent ones and pinned ones. Also can browse a folder and open a file present in that folder. You can close workbook by clicking on close mark presented upper rightmost corner. But you can also use Alt plus F4 shortcut key for closing workbook. Pressing Alt plus F4, as you can see, active workbook got closed. Ctrl Z is used for undoing actions, or you can say going in past from recent ones. Sometime you may do wrong entry in Excel cell. Here I have entered letter D instead of a number. Now I can bring previous value or undo my action by pressing Ctrl Z. Here you can see original value came after pressing Ctrl Z. Ctrl plus Y is used for redoing actions, or you can say going in future from past. Entering 20, then pressing Ctrl Z to undo my action. Now if I press Ctrl Y to redo my action, then 20 will appear. Ctrl plus F is used to find a value in a sheet or a workbook. Press Ctrl F, write value to find in Find What. In Find All, you can see all the cells address in which item 1 value is present. You can click on it to select that cell. You can also click Find Next to go to cell in which find value is present. If you change within to workbook, then it will show all the cells of a workbook in which find value is present. Ctrl H is used to replace matched value with another value. Press Ctrl H. Pressing Ctrl H in Find What, write value to be replaced, in this case item 1, and I want to replace item 1 with item A, hence writing item A in replace with. Click on replace all. Here you can see item 1 cell value got replaced with item A. Here changing cell B to cell color to blue. Now if you want to repeat this recent action, which is blue cell coloring, in other cells quickly, then just select that cell or range, then press F4. Here you can see cell got colored without going to home tab and selecting color. So F4 is used to repeat last performed action in Excel. Action can be anything like adding row and column, changing cell format, entering a value, etc. Thanks for watching. If you liked this video, then please subscribe, like, comment and share.